Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to migrate data from SAP ERP HCM to SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central using InfoPorter. Whether you're an implementation partner, consultant, or SAP certified administrator, understanding this process is crucial for a smooth transition. We'll start by outlining the migration scenario, setting up a new Employee Central system and transferring data from an existing SAP ERP HCM system. After migration, Employee Central becomes the system of record for your organizational and employee data. You can choose between one-time replication using CSV files or continuous migration via web services. This flexibility allows you to tailor the migration to your organization's needs. Let's dive into the key steps and best practices to ensure your migration project is a success. Before you begin migrating data, it's essential to define the scope of your project. Ask yourself which employee and organizational data will be migrated, which fields and pick lists need mapping between SAP ERP HCM and Employee Central. Defining the scope can take up to 40% of your total migration effort, so don't underestimate this step. Next, prepare both systems. SAP ERP HCM, set your cutover date and configure the Business Integration Builder BIB if needed. Ensure employment statuses are correctly filtered, and understand how infotype records are split or filtered based on your migration approach. In Employee Central, make sure field lengths match, pick lists are uploaded, and the locale is set to English US for consistency. Also, grant the necessary permissions to users handling the migration. Careful preparation here will save time and prevent issues later. Preparation complete, it's time to execute the migration. Follow the recommended sequence. First, extract and import organizational units, jobs, and positions, initially without relationships using transformation templates. Next, import employee data, ensuring you follow the correct order for different entities. After that, replicate relationships for organizational units, jobs, and positions to establish parent-child association. Foundation objects like work schedules and pay components, use the provided SAP programs and BADAs for mapping and transfer. If you're migrating pay calendars, export the data from ERP and import it into Employee Central. Throughout, you can choose between CSV-based or web service-based transfers. Web services offer automation and continuous migration, while CSV files provide manual control. After migration, validate your results using SAP's application logs and inventory tools to ensure data integrity and completeness. Wrap up, let's discuss some best practices and how to validate your migration. Always follow SAP's recommended sequence for data extraction and import to avoid errors. Use test runs before actual transfers to preview results and catch issues early. For web service-based migrations, take advantage of automation and background scheduling. After migration, use SAP's application logs and inventory reports to check for errors or missing data. If you encounter issues, correct them and rerun the migration for failed objects. Remember, a successful migration is not just about moving data, it's about ensuring data quality, integrity, and business continuity. With careful planning, thorough preparation, and diligent validation, you'll set your organization up for a seamless transition from SAP ERP HCM to Employee Central.